Good morning, dear students. Today we will start the new chapter, chapter number 12, volume. Students, in previous chapter, chapter number 11, we studied about two-dimensional figures like rectangle, square and triangle. These are called the two-dimensional figures as they are having two dimensions, length and breadth, and such figures can be drawn on the plain page. But when we talk about the three-dimensional figures like cube and cuboid, these figures are having three dimensions, length, breadth and height. Such figures occupy the space and we call these figures as the solid figures. Such figures occupy the volume. Now students, what is volume? The amount of space occupied by an object is called its volume. Every object that occupies space has the volume. Let us take the example of the jug and a glass. Both occupies the space, though both are having the volume. Now if we talk about who is having more volume, see, the jug holds more water than the drinking glass, which means that the volume of glass is lesser than the amount of water in the jug, or the amount of water in jug take more space than the amount of water in the glass. So the volume of the water in jug is more than the volume of water in the glass. Now student, in this chapter we will learn about the volume of cuboid. Cuboid is a three-dimensional figures having length, breadth and height, and the volume of cuboid is equal to length multiply breadth multiply height. Length multiply breadth multiply height, or you can write it like this also. See, if we talk about a rectangle, length multiply breadth is the area of the rectangle. See, in cuboid, the base of this cuboid is a rectangle, and if we talk about this area of this base, that will be equal to length multiply breadth. So the volume of cuboid can also be written as area of base multiply height. So there are two formulas to find the volume of cuboid. First is length multiply breadth multiply height, and you can write it like this also, area of base multiply height. Now student, let us talk about the volume of cube. So what is the main difference between a cube and a cuboid? See, in cuboid the length, breadth and height are different, but when we talk about a cube, the length, breadth and height are same. Let us take the length of cube as S. As we have learned the volume of cuboid as length multiply breadth multiply height, and if we take length, breadth and height as S, so we get a cube. So volume of cube will be equal to S multiply S multiply S.